How to make turmeric milk. Today, I'll share with you a delicious and soothing turmeric recipe that will not only give you that warm, fuzzy feeling but will help your body as well. Health benefits. The curcumin in turmeric has been shown to reduce blood pressure, perform better than Prozac at treating depression, and protect the body from various toxins. It's also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Ginger could be referred to as a superherb. Whether used to aid digestion, as a detoxifier, or to fight cancer, ginger also has a flavor kick that adds depth. Honey is a superfood whose benefits for human health are too numerous to list here. With antioxidant and antibacterial properties, it is used in this recipe because it is a healthy sweetener. A warm, delicious super drink. When turmeric and ginger are mixed with coconut oil, they become more readily absorbed by the body, one of the important features of healthy saturated fats. Combined with piperine found in black pepper, absorption of the curcumin in turmeric is increased exponentially. All said, here is a recipe for a delicious drink that will warm and nourish your body. Golden milk recipe. Turmeric paste. Ingredients: 1/4 cup turmeric powder or 1-inch knob of fresh turmeric. Finely grated 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1/2 cup filtered water. Optional, 1/8 teaspoon powdered ginger or 1/2 inch piece of fresh ginger, finely grated. Directions. Cook all ingredients together in a small saucepan on medium heat. Stir well until the mixture thickens, it doesn't take long. When a paste has formed, remove from heat and allow to cool. Golden milk. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, almond, coconut or organic cow's milk. 1 teaspoon raw organic coconut oil. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric paste, or more to taste. Honey to taste. Should be unpasteurized and local, if you can get it. Directions. Combine all ingredients except honey in a small saucepan. Cook on medium heat, stirring constantly. When completely blended and hot but not boiling, remove from heat. And add honey to taste, stirring until dissolved. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the subscribe button below. To get daily updates on using foods for healing, subscribe to our free email newsletter at www.dailyhealthpost.com.